Hello, you lovely people. How is everyone doing? This is DJ Antidope from Melbourne. Today is not a special day or an event day, but I'm going to a very special stop today. This is DJ City Richmond. Yes, there's a lot of requests who have come in. They want to see the store, and in fact, I'm going to two stores today, and DJ City and Store DJ. They're right next to each other. And today I'm privileged. It's a chauffeur-driven car, and today on the captain and the driver's seat we have Shwetalina. Whoop whoop whoop. Yep, and we are heading now. There's a lot of traffic out of the city, as you can see. Quite a lot of people coming out of office. And guess what? So there are signals, and we're expecting to reach in another 7 minutes. With the steady hands from the captain, as you can see, she's been driving and cruising through all the city. So stay tuned, everyone. Enjoy the music, and we reach DJ City in a while. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I have reached DJ City Richmond. There we go. Let's get inside. There we go. Hey, DJ Kyle over here. Say hi, everyone. That's my YouTube vlog channel.
Yes, hello.
Hey, hi boys.
Shout me out.
Mask sounds, and we are locked down from tomorrow. Alright, so this is DJ City. I'll show you around, but let me get my stuff first, and then stay tuned, everyone. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you are at the heaven for all the DJs and the music artists out there. As you can see, these are those cool turntables. This can be both digital, as well as you can have those discs as well, and can obviously use the panel over there, and same goes with this one. Oh, look at this place. So I got one Ableton from here. This one though, I got the smaller one, which is on the other side, I guess. Yep. Yeah, there's a lot of MIDI controllers if you want. And see this. This is so lovely. Yep. Few machines over here. DDJ 1000s. All the lights and the speakers. I got two of the speakers from here. Alright, I've got two microphones and two laser light stands. And I'll show you the next setup once the lockdown is lifted.
And discounts for the mail as well.
And the discounts from DJ Kyle over here, guys. DJ Kyle is pretty famous in Melbourne, and he signs most of the receipts over here, so you need autograph. You know where to come, DJ Kyle in the house. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Where am I? I am at Store DJ, which is right there. So as you can see, there's a lot of, in this street, you will have a lot of music equipment and sound-based studio as well. So this is Store DJ. Let's get inside and get our fog machine liquid. And it's open from Monday 9 p.m. to 6 p.m. On Thursdays, it's 9 to 7 p.m. So let's get inside Store DJ. Alright. So this is Store DJ. As you can see, there's the different varieties of DJ controllers over here, and this one is with Serato DJ. Look at the keyboards and the speakers over here. This is sort of a full setup. As you can see, this is vinyl, turntable, and digital as well. So this is Denon. Perfect. This is Pioneer. And this is Pioneer DJ MX S2 Nexus. This is cool stuff. This is used in clubs. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I've got my fog machine here. Malcolm helped me out, and this is the place you need to be. You've got all the stuff, all the gigs as I showed you. Thank you so much, Callum. I'll come back for UFA. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, there's quite a lot of old school electronics gigs over here, as you can see. This is those manual switch car machines with an oscillator. Lovely. Yeah, so I've got my stuff. Let's head out. And alright, after amazing shopping at DJ City and Store DJ, it's time to eat something. And guess what we have got today over here? We are at Gopi Ka Chatka and we are having Pani Puri. Woo! It's a lovely place. They've got a lot of branches around. One of which is at Hawthorne, and we are at Hawthorne, and I'm going to have the Pani Puri now. Oh no. How's it? Hope you have liked this vlog. It's a short vlog. I just wanted to show you both the DJ stores right next to each other, 650 meters apart. DJ City and Store DJ. Both of them are great. All the people in both the stores are amazing, very helpful. So if you have liked this vlog, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and spread the love as much as you can. Put on your mask where you can't do a social distancing, and please sanitize your hand and love your neighbors. Keep loving everyone. Till then, take care and see y'all.